Your cells are alive. Hello world, Son of the Soul here, ready to shine some light. How you feeling today? How you breathing today? Today is a beautiful day. Just finished raining. I love me some rain. April showers bring May flowers. Let's get it. Beautiful weather. I'm in the city. I'm not by a park right now, but I can smell the earth. You only get that from the rain. But anyways, let's get to it. Today I'm gonna be talking about cells and your relationship to the cells in your body, whether you realize it or not. The beautiful thing is that on a physical perspective, like, you are not alone. You're never alone. You understand? If you live by yourself, you have your own place, you're going through this pandemic right now, just know that you are not alone. That your body, this meat suit that you're with, is with you. And it's alive. Now, this was an interesting topic. Like, really wanted to talk about it because it's imperative that we understand that our emotions, how we feel, our beliefs, everything we do on a day-to-day basis influences the cells in our body. Why? Because it's responsive. It's alive. What do I mean by alive? I mean, I remember science class in junior high school. They had pictures of cells, red blood cells, white blood cells, and these little things look like little pellets, like little, I don't know, like these little knobs. But that's not how it looks. They look like creatures. They don't float around in the body. They move, they scout, they patrol. Just recently, before the year 2020 came in, one of my coworkers showed me a video, and it came from this YouTube channel called Seeker. And I love those dudes because I seen them for like a while. I've been on watching their videos for quite some time, a couple years now. And they talk about a whole bunch of science stuff. And one of the things that they showed was that they created a machine where you can see red blood cells more intensely. So they had this video up and it showed a cell, and you can see it scouting around, looking around, pausing, looking over here, looking over there. You can see food in its belly. Yes, cells get food in their belly, oxygen. It's like red blood cells carry oxygen. Yeah, it's like they have a belly for that. They're alive. Your cells are alive. Pay attention to how you treat yourself. I'm gonna show you a video. I'm gonna send a link down below. Check it out, seriously, if you've never heard this before. But this concept was so important to me because I always saw it from a spiritual perspective, that, you know, our cells vibrate within us, and they have energy behind it, you know. But now it's shown through science that they're actually alive. They are actually alive. Keep note of that. What do you tell yourself on a day-to-day basis? What are the conversations do you have with yourself on a day-to-day basis? Is it helping you? Does it make you feel good? Do you torment yourself? Have you ever experienced a time where you actually put yourself down? Like, does that happen? Your cells are there. You walk with it every day. You breathe with it every day, because our red blood cells carry oxygen. So that means whatever oxygen you take in, it's taken in. You understand? Our skin cells breathe. How are you breathing right now? Seriously, watch the video and you're gonna see the cell, and it looks like it has arms, legs, crawling around. It's alive, man. As what Dr. Greger explains it, you are a superorganism. A superorganism, meaning you're a host. And you have all these cells living with you. Now, how do you treat them? If you're the landlord, how do you treat them? What are you feeding them? What type of consumption does it take in terms of emotions, food, our beliefs? What are you feeding your body? That's a really big deal. And it's something that I definitely pay attention to a lot more intently than I've ever had. Because it's so intelligent, yo. But sometimes our beliefs may hinder, our actions may hinder it from doing all the miracles it's able to do. You can associate miracle with luck. Luck. How Oprah interprets it, she says, luck is preparation meets opportunity. How are you prepping yourself to live, to be alive, to grow, to thrive? Listen. You walk around with your face every day. These are cells, man. You look at yourself. You look yourself in the mirror. Do you complain about yourself? Are you feeling bad about yourself? They're listening to you. They're listening to you. The best relationship you can have is with yourself. Do that first. Make that a priority so you can provide for the rest of the world. It's a big deal, man. But yeah, I just wanted to shed some light on it. I'm gonna put a link in the description. I really want you to check that out. I urge you to. And it'll really make sense. So, Stay bright.